How to set up lines and grids in notes on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you set up lines and grids in notes on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open settings from your iPhone. Alright, so now after you open the settings, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option apps. Okay, so from the app section you'll have to scroll down and find the app notes. Alright, so after you find the notes you'll have to just tap on it. Okay, so from the notes section you'll have to scroll down and go the options like view. So from this view section you'll get options like line and grid, so simply tap on it. Okay, so from here you can choose your preferred line and grid, so I will choose this one. And now after you choose one style from here, you'll have to just back from here and open the note. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully set up these lines and grids in notes on my iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.